Hello, I'm Lisa Allen, former councilwoman from Summit, New Jersey. And today I want to alert you to an extremely harmful bill that is being considered in our nation's capital. It's called the American Broadband Deployment Act of 2025. It's also known as HR 2289. It denies your local government's regulation authority and their ability to limit the powers of the telecommunication industry while providing no benefits to you, the consumer. So let me explain what this bill does and why it needs to be defeated. HR 2289 gives the telecom companies the power to overrule your local zoning ordinances. These ordinances normally give municipalities control over the deployment of wired and wireless telecommunications equipment in your town. This new law would transfer that local review process to the Federal Communications Commission. And I want to be clear, the FCC has no rights of way or land use expertise. And unlike the current law, the new proposal provides no public safety protections for new construction sites. These sites will be built without local oversight by municipal building departments or zoning officers. There will be no notice required to the local government or obligation to comply with safety laws. And as a result, the telecom companies could put anything they want on buildings or the poles right outside your home. And as a final blow to local governments, this proposed legislation waives the need for the telecom companies to pay towns for their rights of way. It would eliminate cable franchise fees that help pay for your PEG channels. And we all know PEG channels provide transparency and hyperlocal information to your communities. By eliminating this revenue, hundreds of thousands of dollars annually could be lost to the taxpayers, possibly resulting in higher property taxes. HR 2289 is an unprecedented federal intrusion into established local decision-making procedures. It strips local governments of their ability to ensure public safety, manage traffic, protect existing utilities, ensure worker safety, and maintain fair competition. So what can you do? Contact your congressional members and tell them, stand up for the rights of local municipalities to regulate the telecom industry. And also make sure your local municipal officials are aware of this threat to their autonomy. Urge your local officials to voice their opposition of HR 2289 to their federal leadership. We all must act now. If this legislation is adopted, the telecom industry will be unjustly rewarded at your expense. Stopping HR 2289 is going to take all of us. Please act now.